Magnets have quietly enabled so many modern wonders, from the compasses that guided ancient explorers to the tiny motors inside today's smartphones. They are a hidden force in our lives. In recent decades, the strongest permanent magnets have come from rare earth elements like neodymium and samarium. These rare earth magnets now power everything from electric vehicles to wind turbines to MRI machines. But this incredible strength comes at a cost. Mining and refining rare earth elements is expensive, environmentally harmful, and concentrated mostly in China. Today, China controls over 90% of rare earth refining and magnet manufacturing. This creates serious risks for global supply chains, especially during times of geopolitical tension. Years ago, a visionary scientist named Jianping Wang at the University of Minnesota asked a bold question: could we create a powerful magnet without relying on rare earths? After years of research, he succeeded. He developed the world's first iron nitride magnet, a breakthrough made from two of the most abundant elements on Earth, iron and nitrogen. This discovery led to the founding of Niron Magnetics. Their iron nitride magnets, called clean earth magnets, promise to match or even outperform traditional rare earth magnets. They offer incredible magnetization strength, excellent temperature stability, and much higher electrical resistivity. That means motors that run cooler, more efficient, and longer lasting. Even better, the raw materials are abundant and sourced domestically. Instead of relying on China-controlled rare earths, industries could soon build electric motors, generators, and devices using ordinary iron and nitrogen, clean, local, and scalable. The United States is now moving fast to take advantage of this breakthrough. Government agencies are supporting companies like Niron Magnetics with funding and partnerships. A new factory is under construction in Minnesota, aiming to supply next-generation magnets for everything from electric vehicles to wind turbines and defense technologies. This creates secure American jobs, boosts high-tech manufacturing, and strengthens U.S. independence from foreign-controlled supply chains. Environmentally too, the benefits are massive. Unlike traditional rare earth mining, iron nitride production leaves almost no toxic waste, just salt and water, cleaner, cheaper, and much more sustainable for the future. At a time when demand for magnets is projected to triple by 2035 and China is tightening control over its critical mineral exports, iron nitride offers a crucial alternative. It's a key piece in a larger puzzle, a future where the US can lead in clean energy, advanced manufacturing, and resilient supply chains. If successful, iron nitride magnets could spark a true revolution in energy, technology, and transportation. A revolution powered not by rare earths, but by the strength of simple elements already all around us. If you found this breakthrough as fascinating as we did, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into world-changing innovations. Leave a comment sharing your thoughts on how iron nitride magnets could reshape our world, and hit the like button if you believe the future deserves cleaner, smarter technology.